In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your Shopify store and inbox from spam bots. Let's start right inside your Shopify admin. First, open Shopify in your browser and sign into your store. From your admin sidebar, head to Online Store. This is where most storefront settings live, including the tools that help filter out bots that flood your inbox or try to create fake customer accounts. Next, open Preferences. This page controls a variety of storefront behaviors. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the Spam Protection section. This is the built-in place where Shopify helps challenge suspicious traffic and block automated submissions before they hit your inbox or your customer database. In the Spam Protection area, turn on protection for your contact and comment forms. This adds a behind-the-scenes challenge to form submissions so real visitors can send messages and leave comments, while automated scripts are far more likely to be blocked. It's a quick change that often has the biggest impact on reducing junk messages and the time you spend cleaning up your inbox. Then, enable spam protection on your login, create account, and password recovery pages. This one is equally important. It helps deter bots from creating fake accounts, hammering your login form, or triggering password resets in bulk. You may see an occasional challenge or checkbox appear for suspicious traffic, but legitimate customers should pass through smoothly, especially with Shopify's invisible checks that run in the background. After adjusting these settings, give your storefront a quick test in an incognito or private window. Visit your contact page and your account pages to confirm they load normally. You're checking that everything behaves as expected for genuine users and that you don't see unusual errors or endless loops. If spam is persistent or highly targeted, you can also install a dedicated bot blocker from the Shopify App Store. Look for apps that provide IP and country filters, rate limiting, and user agent rules, and that offer clear reporting so you can see what's being blocked. Keep the rules conservative at first to avoid blocking real customers, and review the app's documentation to ensure it plays nicely with your theme and any custom forms you use. That's it. By using Shopify's built-in spam protection for forms and account pages, and considering a focused bot blocking app when needed, you'll dramatically cut down junk submissions and protect both your storefront and your inbox. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, make sure to apply these settings today so you can get back to focusing on your customers rather than fighting bots.